Gold IRA investment options for $500,000 with physical gold. In today's unpredictable economy, protecting your retirement savings is more important than ever. Investing $500,000 in a Gold IRA offers a powerful way to preserve and grow your wealth. Gold acts as a hedge against inflation, currency decline, and market crashes. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's how you can get started with physical gold in your IRA and make the most of your investment. 1. Why choose physical gold? Gold has held value for centuries. It's tangible, unlike paper assets, and doesn't rely on banks or governments. Physical gold can offer security in uncertain times, making it a smart part of a diversified retirement plan. 2. Types of physical gold you can invest in: gold coins, government minted like American Gold Eagles and Canadian Maple Leafs. Widely trusted and IRA approved. Gold bars, ideal for larger investments. Must be at least 99.5% pure. Gold-proof coins, high quality, limited edition coins. More expensive but eligible for IRAs. Gold rounds, private minted, lower cost, but must meet purity standards. 3. Steps to set up a Gold IRA. Open a self-directed IRA with a trusted custodian. Fund the account by transferring from an existing IRA or 401k. Choose an IRS-approved depository to store your gold safely. Purchase the gold through your custodian, choosing bars, coins, or a mix. 4. Tax benefits. Traditional Gold IRAs grow tax-deferred. Roth Gold IRAs offer tax-free withdrawals in retirement, boosting your long-term gains. 5. Diversification tips. Don't put all $500,000 into one form. Mix coins, bars, and possibly even gold-backed ETFs or mining stocks for better balance. 6. Risks to consider. Storage fees. Pay to secure your gold. Liquidity. Selling gold can take time. Price fluctuations. Gold can rise and fall in value with market conditions. A Gold IRA with physical gold is a solid choice for those with $500,000 to invest. It offers stability, long-term growth, and protection against economic uncertainty, ideal for securing your retirement. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.